Welcome to our Analog Electronics and Digital Electronics Laboratory of Chaibasha Engineering College. We are getting same example for Analog Electronics Laboratory as well as Basic Electronics Laboratory, that is mobile charger. But in case of Basic Electronics Laboratory, we will study the working of basic electronics component, and Analog Electronics Laboratory we will study the working of that type of adapter. That is, if there is no adapter, why the mobile would not be charged? Come to the Digital Electronics Laboratory. Here we will perform the experiment related with the digital circuits which is used in our daily life, such as digital clock, calculator, etc. Think about the display in calculator, how the digit is shown. What is the difference between the normal numeric digit and the digit which is shown in calculator? The thing is that there are some few LEDs are there in the display. We will study what actually happened when a number is converted from 8 to 7, 6, 5 and so on. Welcome to our Basic Electronics Laboratory of Chaibasha Engineering College. This lab is used to give the basic concept of the component which is used in electronic devices. So we will perform here the experiments related to the characteristics of basic electronics component and prepare some projects with the help of this type of components, which will be used in advanced electronics project. In our daily life, lots of electronics devices are used, such as mobile charger. In this type of devices, some components are used like resistor, capacitor, etc. In this laboratory, we will know how they work. Welcome to Communication Lab of Chaibasha Engineering College. Communication Lab is one of the core lab in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. In this laboratory, we will study the working of many devices and technologies which are frequently used in our daily life. For example, working of radio, television, DTH, mobile phones, navigation system. All these technologies are used to share information. Communication is the process of sending and receiving information. The sharing of knowledge and information is the foundation of all human activities, which is not possible without communication. The field of communication is changing very rapidly. We are about to use 5G cellular networks, which will provide new opportunities for people, business, and society. As a beginner, this labs gives you a good opportunity to learn the basics of communication engineering. Welcome to our microwave laboratory of Chaibasa Engineering College. Microwaves are a type of electromagnetic radiation with wavelengths ranging from about 1 meter to 1 millimeter, with frequencies between 300 MHz to 3000 GHz. As are radio waves, ultraviolet radiation, X-ray, and gamma rays. Microwaves have a range of applications including communication, radar, and perhaps best known by most people, cooking. Other applications where the microwaves used are medical treatment and drying materials. The focus of the Microwave Engineering Laboratory at Electronics and Communication Engineering Department of Chaibasa Engineering College is the development and use for scientific studies of the microwave frequencies. The major area of this laboratory involve analysis and development of microwave circuits, components and subsystems, including micro-machined devices for RF, microwave, millimeter wave applications. Micro-machined antennas, phase shifters and filters are some such components. Welcome to our instrumentation laboratory of Chaibasa Engineering College. Instrumentation is a pioneer field of engineering in the modern era. In this fast-growing age of automation and process industry, instrumentation engineer is an inevitable choice of every industry. So, it is very essential and relevant in implementing a department which molds new talent in the field of instrumentation. The nature of work of an instrumentation engineer ranges from designing, developing, installing, managing equipment that are used to monitor and control machinery. Instrumentation engineers typically work for industries with automated process with the goal of improving the productivity, reliability, safety, optimization, and stability. Electronics and instrumentation engineers are commonly responsible for integrating the sensors with the recorders, transmitters, display, or control systems. They may design or specify installation, wiring, and signal conditioning. They may be responsible for calibration, testing, and maintenance of the system. One of the most common examples of instrumentation is ATM machine. In ATM machine, the withdrawal of money and deposition of money, everything is operated by an instrumentation device. An electronics and instrumentation engineer graduate find employment in industries which improve efficiency, stability, and safety of automated process. The industrial sectors include public or private firms, research and development organization, manufacturing process industries, power plants, chemical and petrochemical industries, and more.